Good evening, everyone. We are group number 11 and going to talk about Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Limited. Today, I have the privilege of introducing to you the Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Limited, a financial institution that has made a remarkable stride in the world of banking and finance since its inception. Let me take you to a brief journey to understand the essence of this bank and its significant achievements. Founded on April 30, 2016, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank listed on NSE and BSE under a ticker symbol Utkarsh BNK is the stalwart in the world of banking and financial service sector. The bank's core mission is to serve an underserved and unserved segment of our country, focusing on providing the microfinance solutions to empower individual and small businesses. From its headquarters in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, the bank has embarked on a journey that commenced on April 23, 2017, following the essence of small finance banking license by the Reserve Bank of India on November 25, 2016. Since then, the bank has been extending financial inclusion in India. Now, talking about the financials of the bank, the capital of a bank has gradually increased from 8,483 rupees to 8,959.05 million rupees over a time. Borrowings, however, have slightly decreased from 26,000 to 23,000 million rupees. In total, the company's liability grew from 1,21,000 to 1,91,000 million rupees. The company's cash and balances with the Reserve Bank of India have engaged from 11,000 to 17,000 million rupees. The major part of assets is from the advance amounting to rupees 1,30,000 million. Now here comes the part of the bank. The bank's total profits part of the bank. The total income grew from 18,000 to 28,000 million rupees. Now talking about the legal matters bank involved into. The bank has filed 169 FIR involving rupees 48.75 million from various alleged offences including embezzlement by staff and criminal activities by others. Additionally, the bank has submitted 78 complaints letters for the offences totaling 320 million rupees, and it is initiated 1,957 cases involving rupees 236.75 million under the Negotiable Instrument Act, which are currently pending in an Indian court. Thank you.
I am going to talking about the dividend policy of Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Limited. Bank dividends are approved by the board of directors and shareholders considering legal and regulatory provisions. Dividend decisions depends on profit, reserves, tax implications, and more. Electronic mode of payments approved by the Reserve Bank of India for dividend payments. Dividends haven't been paid by the bank to its shareholders since April 2023 because of insufficient profits. A regulatory requirement: all capitalized expenses must be written off before declaring dividends. Next point is objects of the issue. The bank is required to list its equity share on a stock exchange within 3 years of reaching a net worth of rupees 5,000 million as per RBI and SFB licensing guidelines. Proceeds from the issue enhance Tier 1 capital and cover related expenses. Bank must maintain a capital adequacy of 15% of risk-weighted assets. The utilization of funds will be monitored and quarterly report to the audit committee. The objects of the issue must have been appraised by any bank and financial institution. Next is fresh issue or offer for sale. Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Limited is totally a fresh IPO with no existing shareholders selling their shares. Forward-looking plans of Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Limited. Management is optimistic about 23-24 financial year, focusing on growth, assets quality, and expanding customer reach. Key areas including balance sheet reliance, inclusive growth, market expansion, and technology investment. Forward-looking statements are identified by terms like aim, anticipate, believe, expect, and others. Management discussions about the bank. The bank management is continuously optimistic about outlook of financial year 2023-2024. The bank expects to continue the growth its business in healthy and sustainable manner while maintaining a strong asset quality. The bank is also focused on expanding its reach to new customers and markets. Market opportunity for the Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Limited. A strong growth expected in India small financing company SSB industry. SFB's AUM and deposit note growth are notable. Market opportunity in rural areas and low cost funding. SFB AUM has grown at 29% CAGR from fiscal year 2018 to 2023. Improve asset quality and a special benefit to its shareholders. Shareholders receive dividend and bonus shares, discounts on banking products, priority banking, and participate in special events. Shareholders of Utkarsh Small Finance Limited are also eligible for certain special tax benefits under the Income Tax Act 1961. In conclusion, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank is positioned for growth in India. SSB industry offering special benefits and tax advantages to its shareholders. The bank's strong financial performance and expansion plans make it so attractive and investment opportunity is given. Thank you.
Utkarsh Welfare Foundation is a group company affiliated with Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. The foundation operates under a mandate to provide welfare services to underprivileged communities in both urban as well as rural areas. The services encompass financial literacy, market linkages, educational support, healthcare initiatives, vocational training programs, and many more. Importantly, its mission is driven by social and charitable purpose instead of profit motives. Turning our attention to Utkarsh Small Finance Bank itself, its primary objective is to deliver affordable and accessible banking and financial services to the underprivileged microfinance sector in India. This segment represents a high growth and substantial potential. Utkarsh Small Finance Bank recently made headlines with its initial public offering. The IPO process involves preliminary document called a red herring prospectus, which provides essential information about the offering but does not specify the issue price or the grey market premium. The grey market premium refers to the unofficial market price of the IPO before listing on stock exchange and is determined by the market forces. The bank's IPO generated a significant excitement in the market. Upon its debut on July 21, 2003, the bank's shares were listed at 40 rupees each, representing a remarkable 60% premium over the IPO issue price of rupees 25 per share. The stock's performance continued to impress in the following days, closing at 47.94 on the first day, reflecting a gain of over 90%. Fast forwarding to the present, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank stock is currently trading at rupees 49.90 on September 24, 2023. It is listed on both the Bombay Stock Exchange as well as the National Stock Exchange. Now the pivotal question is whether to invest in Utkarsh Small Finance Bank or not. Its focus on thriving microfinance sector, management and promoting the future. The bank boasts strong, maintained a healthy asset quality with NPA non-performing asset ratio of just 0.39%. However, there are considerations to bear in mind. The bank stock relatively new, which inherently carries some risk. Additionally, the current price to book value of 2.49 is higher than the industry peers, suggested that the stock might be overvalued. This could potentially lead to the correction in short term. In conclusion, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank is a financially sound institution with a bright future ahead, thanks to commitment and serving microfinance sectors. Nevertheless, investors should be cautious about the stock's relative high valuation and consider investment horizon and risk tolerance before deciding whether to invest or not. The stock market's remarkable debut and subsequent performance underscore its potential, but be careful while evaluation. Thank you.